Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's cook spicy Korean chicken with cheese. So this is all my ingredients I need. I'll just mix it all together. Soy sauce, garlic, chili flakes, spring onions, olive oil, Korean paste, ginger, and I'll just mix all together. And here is my chicken. I'll mix my sauce with the chicken. Now I'll prepare to fry it. You can just fry it a little. No need to fry it for a long time. While waiting for everyone who is new here in my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. I will prepare my cheese now. I'm using mozzarella cheese. It depends on you guys what you want to use for this recipe. Any cheese will do, I think. So yeah, just cut it up. After frying. So this is how it looks like after I fry. I'll add my cheese on top. It depends on you how many cheese you want to put. So yeah. And now we can start baking. Mine I'll bake 15 minutes. This is how it looks like after I just add spring onions on top. And that's it. Let's try. So for me it's nice because there's a lot of cheese. And that's all for today. Bye bye!